to get to know if I could be the kind.
Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber,
what's up, cousin? What's up?
So in today's video, I decided to recreate one of Choyce Brown's photo shoots that she did a while ago. If you don't know who Choyce Brown is, it is none other than the vegan queen, our vegan mother, Miss Tabitha Brown's daughter. She's a model. She is beautiful. I will put the picture up here of the photo shoot that I decided to recreate. I've not been excited about a eyeshadow tutorial or look in a very long time, but I was here for all of this today. You'll see me feeling myself in the video. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. So the first eye is done, y'all. I think I did that. So now we have to try to get this eye to look like this one. And Choyce's eyebrows weren't really done, but as for me and my house, we did ours.
Okay.
To prime my lids, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And I got my highlighted wig from Eunice on because she had blonde hair in her picture. So the palette I'm going to be taking today is the James Charles palette. It has every color I need, so I went ahead and used it. So yeah, first color I'm dipping into is Escape. Oh Lord, please let me get this right. I'm gonna wing it out because she had like a wing cut crease. Next shade I'm gonna go into is Single. I'm gonna tap that above where I just placed Escape. I'm gonna take a little bit of Skip. I'm gonna go back into Escape. Alright, so I'm gonna take some of that Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer on this Morphe M124 so we can cut the crease. may have taken that a little bit too high, but it's okay. It's fixable. Artistry is gonna be my lid shade. Choyce looked like she had like a white gold in the inner corner, so take a Ringlight here. Back into Artistry just to kind of blend out that outer edge of that. And then for my liner, I'm gonna take the NYX Epic Ink Liner.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. God, that's what I'm talking about.
And of course for primer, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Putty primer. Found these at the top of my closet in my Clinique Stay Matte foundation. Pretty sure it ain't much in here, but we gonna try to get some out. Oh, we got some.
And
love that for me. We're gonna take it back with the OG today for concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fun. Of course, the Beauty Bakerie cake flour and plantain. Fenty Beauty bronzer. I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Deep. Forgot to do my nose. Alright, back into the Micro Smooth Powder. Okay, I'm gonna put Escape and Single in my lower lash line. Put some black in my waterline. Ringlight in this area as well. Spray a little bit of turn into a lot of it. For my highlight, I'm gonna use Makeup Shayla and Colourpop's Boomin. For the lips, she's got like heavy liner and then like a pinkish nude, a little bit of gloss. So I'm gonna go in with, of course, MAC's Chestnut. A little too brown for me, so I'm gonna take that same black that I use for my liner. I'm gonna take NYX Lingerie Lip in Embellishment. And I'm gonna go over top of that with Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. Not a lot though. Finish that off with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. I think I did that. Baby girl, did I do that or did I do that? So pretty. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, I need you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
And goodbye. Period. I mean it.